chapter 4, verse 39. And he arose and rebuked the wind and said to the sea, Peace, be still. And the wind stopped, and there was a great calm. So if the Lord Jesus Christ can calm the sea, the wind, how much more the mind and the heart? When we come to Him, He calms the sea of our emotion, the wind in our mind, those thoughts, those worries, those anxiety. He gives us peace. And the more we have peace in the mind, and the more our emotion is calm, the more